Experience the Alusso IP LED downlights, a slim 6-pack solution that brings 3 color temperatures to your space. 28 warm, neutral and cool white options. Via simple side toggle with silent dimming from 10 to 100%, built-in transformer for effortless 230 volt connection, and an IP waterproof flame retardant design. It fit bathrooms, kitchens and living areas with ease. You've got the purchase link, description and the pinned comment. Step into a brighter, safer bathroom and kitchen with the Fauxwire 5-watt IP65 waterproof recessed ceiling lights. Crafted in die-cast aluminium for superb heat dissipation and corrosion resistance, they deliver a warm 3000 Kelvin glow 83 plus cry, a gentle 68mm cutout, and a precise 265-degree beam. Actually 48, sorry. These clever downlights sip energy, replacing a 50-watt halogen while slashing bills, and they're designed to last up to 25,000 hours. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Step into a brighter, safer bathroom with our waterproof downlight in sleek black. Crafted from durable aluminium and rated IP65 for splash zones, it sits flush in a round ceiling recess and powers directly from domestic mains, no transformer needed. Its robust GU10 ceramic holder accepts your chosen bulb, while 2 spring clips guarantee a secure fit in shower ceilings or damp spaces. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Step into a brighter room with Alusso LED downlights, the ultra slim 9-watt ceiling lights that vanish into the ceiling yet flood your space with crisp, cool white at 6500 Kelvin, delivering a wide 120-degree beam IP44 waterproofing for damp rooms and a lasting 30,000 hours. These modern spotlights cut energy use by more than 88% while staying easy to install and maintenance free. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Experience bright, clean illumination with GR-Tech LED downlights engineered for bathrooms and beyond. These ultra-thin 5-watt LEDs deliver 400 lumens in natural white casting, a reassuring glow while remaining fully waterproof to the IP65 standard. A smarter, safer upgrade, their separate connector simplifies wiring and fits most ceiling openings with a compact 35mm depth. Durable, reliable, and backed by 3-year warranty. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Set the scene with a touch of sophistication as these chrome recessed downlights glide into place, sleek and robust in die-cast aluminium. With an IP65 rating, they thrive in bathrooms and showers, keeping moisture at bay while delivering bright, reliable illumination. Supply for GU10 fittings, lamp not included. Their slim chrome profile creates clean lines and contemporary charm, perfectly matching modern interiors. Founded in Dunstable, trusted across the UK, Knightsbridge brings quality and assurance to every installation. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Step into a brighter, smarter space with these ultra-slim 5-watt LED downlights. Finished in a warm 3000 Kelvin glow, they pour a soft 360-degree spread at 100% efficiency, while the IP44 rating keeps kitchens and bathrooms safely bright. With a 24mm installation depth and easy 5-wire connections, you'll forget they're there. Until the ambience and clarity finally hit, you've got the purchase in the description and the pinned comment.